What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. This video I want to show you how to use polynomial multiplication for square roots. The first example I have is root 11 times 8 plus 4 root 11. The answer will be 8 root 11 plus 4 root 11 times root 11. So it will be 8 root 11 plus 44, because root 11 times root 11 is going to be just normal 11, and 11 times 4 is going to be 44. Next example, have root 7 times 6 minus root 14. Answer is 6 root 7 minus root 7 times root 14. That's going to be 6 root 7. 14 is 7 times 2, so it's like root 7 times root 7 times 2. Root 7 times root 7 is just 7, so it's going to be 7 root 2. Example, root 5 times root 10 plus root 18. Answer is root 50 plus root 90. Which is going to be root 25 times root 2 plus root 9 times root 10. That's going to be 5 root 2 plus 3 root 10. Next example, root 3 times root 12 plus root 27. That will be root 3 times root 12, which is root 36. Root 3 times root 27 is root 81. So that's going to be 6. This one is going to be 9, so it's going to be 15. Next example, we have root 11 times negative 3 plus 4 root 11. Answer is negative 3 root 11 plus 4 root 11 times root 11. That makes it negative 3 root 11 plus 44, because root 11 times 11 is going to be just 11. Next example, root 2 times negative 5 plus 9 root 2. Answer is negative 5 root 2 plus 9 root 2 times root 2 is going to be 9 times 2, which is 18. Next example, we have root 3 times root 15 minus root 18. Answer is root 3 times root 15 is 45, and root 3 times root 18 is 54. That's gonna be 9 times 5, square root of 9, square root of 5 minus square root of 9, square root of 6. So it's gonna be 3 root 5 minus 3 root 6. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.